Have you ever reached the end of the day and asked yourself, I was busy all day, but what did I actually achieve? You answered phone calls, you replied to messages, you watched a few videos, you checked social media again and again. The day was full of activity, but at the end of the day, you still felt that nothing important was done. Yes, if this happens to you, don't worry. It happens to almost everyone. The real problem is not that we don't have enough time. The real problem is that we spend our time on things that don't really matter. And that is exactly what today's topic is about. Focus on what truly matters. Let's think about this for a moment. Every one of us gets the same 24 hours every day. Successful people don't get extra time. Students don't get less time. Rich people don't have longer days. So, why do some people achieve great things while others stay in the same place for years? The answer is simple. Successful people don't try to do everything. They choose the few things that matter the most and they give those things their full attention. Unfortunately, most of us do the opposite. We try to do everything at once. We are studying while checking our phone. We are working while scrolling social media. We are talking to someone while thinking about something else. As a result, nothing gets our complete attention. Imagine trying to fill 10 different glasses with one bottle of water at the same time. None of the glasses will become full. But if you fill one glass first, then move to the next one, every glass will eventually be full. Our attention works in the same way. When we divide our focus, we reduce our results. And another big challenge today is distraction. Our phone have become one of the biggest reasons why we lose our focus. A notification appears, we tell ourselves, I'll check it for just 1 minute. But what happens? 1 minute becomes 10, 10 becomes 30. Before we realize it, we have lost an hour. And the saddest part is that we don't even remember what we spent that hour doing. Now, ask yourself a simple question. Is your phone helping you achieve your dreams or is it taking you away from them? That is an important question because every small distraction has a hidden cost. It steals your time, it steals your energy, and slowly it steals your future. Many people believe that being busy means being productive, but that isn't true. Being busy simply means you are doing many things, and being productive means you are doing the right things. There is a huge difference. You can answer 50 emails in a day and still make no real progress. Or you can spend one focused hour learning a valuable skill that completely changes your future. So don't ask, how busy was I today? Instead ask, did I do something today that moved me closer to my goal? If the answer is yes, then you had a productive day. One simple habit can completely change your life. And every morning before you start your day, write the three most important tasks. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Then promise yourself that you will finish those tasks before spending time on less important things. And this simple habit helps you control your day instead of letting your day control you. And another powerful idea is deep work. Deep work means working without distraction for a fixed period of time. No phone, no social media, and no unnecessary conversations. Just you and your most important task. When you work like this, your brain performs at its best. You learn faster, you think more clearly, and you produce better results. Successful people also know the power of saying no. They don't say yes to every invitation. They don't accept every opportunity. Because every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to something that truly matters. You know, learning to say no is not being rude, it is protecting your future. Finally, remember this: success doesn't come from one big decision. It comes from hundreds of small decisions made every single day. Every time you choose learning over scrolling, every time you choose discipline over excuses, every time you choose your goals over temporary entertainment, you become a little stronger, a little wiser, and a little closer to the life you want. So, if you want to change your future, don't try to change everything overnight. Start by changing one thing: protect your attention, protect your time, and most importantly, protect your focus. Because where your focus goes, your life follows. Thank you for watching. If you found this message helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more content that helps you grow, improve, and become the best version of yourself.